One of our friends here in Austin overpaid that by $300,000. And we found it. And he was like, am I going to get in trouble here? I'm like, why? You overpaid your tax because your accountant screwed up. Like your accountant should get in trouble, but the IRS doesn't care.
Right.
Because this is rightfully your money that wasn't reported properly.
Yeah. I feel like there's this sense of just general fear with the IRS of like, I just don't want to, I don't want to disturb the beast, right?
Yeah, and there are true red flags. So I don't do anything internationally. There are probably legal things you can do internationally, but you will garner more attention. The only international strategy I would recommend that I feel completely comfortable with is if you're doing business internationally and you use an international sales corporation to reappropriate the money back in the United States, they'll let you do it capital gains. That's a government structure. They're happy because they want the money back here and not keeping it internationally. That's fine. But when you start getting into offshore trusts that might save taxes, a Malta trust, for example, or a Malta pension can avoid taxes, but at the same time, can that really hold up long term? Will it hold up long term? I don't really know, and I don't want to take on that risk.